Good morning, Drake University. Welcome to week 3 of our distance learning. Let's get started right away with some share time. Our first thing we're sharing today is my favorite thing to do in the spring is. So take a moment, think of something that you like to do in the spring. My favorite thing to do in the spring is to go outside and to play. I love getting chalk out in the spring and getting to write on the sidewalk or play with bubbles. I think those are all excellent spring activities. What do you like to do? All right, for our message, it says, Good morning, Drake University. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. We have a full week of learning this week. In reading, we will read a new Cinderella book. And in math, we will compare numbers using the words greater than and less than. Keep up the great work, Drake. I believe in you. Love, Miss Crumb. All right, so if we look over here, this is similar to what you'll be doing in math. It's something that we've practiced before. You're going to be using those signs and those words greater than and less than when comparing two numbers. So if we look at the numbers in the orange rectangle, we have 23, two groups of 10 and three extra ones. And we have the number 13, one group of 10 and three extra ones. Our job to just decide, is 23 greater than or less than 13? What do you think? Did you say greater than? Excellent. Thank you, brain. 23 is greater than 13 because it has an extra group of 10. So we can use the words greater than, or we can use the symbol with the triangle opening up to that larger number 23. Excellent. All right, number of the day. Can anyone spy the penny? Point to the penny on your screen. If you pointed to that copper coin on top that's a little larger than the silver one, you are correct. Remember, a penny is the same as an extra one. We just count it as a one. Now, that leaves us with the silver coin. Do you remember what that silver coin is called? It's called a dime. And a dime is different than a penny. A dime is the same as a group of 10. Good job. So remember, mathematicians, when you see coins, you don't just count all of them as a one because they're all different. They all have that different value. You have to look closely and decide if it's a group of one or if it's a group of 10 or an extra one. So let's take a look at some of the coins I pulled out today. If I look down here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coins. But is my number of the day 7? No. Let's look again. I noticed that we have some silver coins, some dimes, and we have some copper coins. We have 3 of the copper coins. So if we look, we're going to find how many 10s and how many 1s we have. Let's start with our 10s. I remember that the dime is a group of 10. So let's count how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s. Excellent. So in that box, I'm going to write the number 4 because we have 4 dimes. That means if we counted them correctly and we counted by tens, we'd have 10, 20, 30, 40. But I can't put a 0 over here for 40 because we have some extra ones. Let's look and see how many extra ones we have. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write the number 3 in the 1 spot. Excellent. That means 4 groups of 10 and 3 extra 1 is the same as what number? 43. Good job. All right, I'm going to challenge you now. I want you to think, what is 10 less than 43? So we know that less than is just like take away. We're a number, it's going to get smaller. So let's look at that number that we have. We have 43. And now I want to know what 10 less would be. So if I'm taking away 10, would I take away a copper coin? Nope, that's only 1. If I'm taking away 10, I'd have to take away the dime, that silver coin, because it's worth 10. So if I crossed out one of these, let's count how many we'd have. 1, 2, 3, 3 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30. And how many extra ones? 1, 2, 3. Those haven't changed. So let's read our sentence. 10 less than 43 is 33. Wow, good job, Drake. All right, let's keep going. Let me see if I can erase those numbers for you guys, and we'll keep moving on. Perfect. All right, today you have a few different things to do. We're going to start a new week, so make sure that when you go on to Clever, you're clicking on the green rectangle this week with my picture on it. It's week number 3. You'll start by going to Monday and you'll do morning meeting, we are doing right now. So you've already completed that. Good work. And then you'll jump onto Dreambox and Lexia. Remember, our goal is still to get 2 Dreambox lessons done and 1 Lexia lesson. After you've completed those, you're welcome to go and watch the Eureka video. That's lesson 7. You'll do the problem set. If you have your packet, you can do it in there. If you don't, you can do it on a regular piece of paper. And then the fun thing that we're doing this week is I've added our exit tickets online. So once you've done the video and you've practiced the problem set, you get to jump on Edulastica and you're going to answer some questions on there, and I'll get to see all your answers, and I'll get to see how hard you're working and how hard you're stretching those brains, and it's going to be so much fun. So make sure you go on Edulastica. When you go on Edulastica, you're going to click on the box that looks like this. It has a little magnifying glass in it, and it's orange and blue, and that's the exit ticket that you'll do for Monday, okay? All right. Once you're done with math, you can jump on over to phonics. Miss Scribner will be doing phonics with you today. And then you'll finish your day with Wit and Wisdom with Miss Henderson. And she's going to be reading you that new Cinderella story. It's going to be really fun. Once you've done all those, you can choose to go back onto Dreambox or Lexia and challenge your brain. Or if you're tired, you can always go and do some of those brain breaks or just hang out with your family and loved ones, all right? I love you all. Thank you for tuning in today. I can't wait to see you again. I hope you have a great day. Bye, Drake.